In week 2, you will submit the health history assignment. This is different from the one you will complete in Shadow Health on the avatar in week 1 and requires you to interview a real adult patient to obtain their health history. You may want to use the same patient for your physical examination checkoffs, but it is not necessary. Before you begin this assignment, please review the rubric, which can be found in the Rubrics tab on Blackboard and also displayed on this screen. The health history is a patient's oral explanation of their health. The healthcare provider guides this fact-gathering session by asking specific questions to obtain complete information from the patient. As the interviewer, you should use the textbook pages 621 to 624 for help on data collection, and then write up the narrative of your findings using the example on pages 628 to 629. The lists of content on the rubric are not all inclusive, but represent the start of data collection from the patient. Please remember that the health history should not contain any physical examination data. Physical examination is not part of this assignment. After you have completed this assignment, please upload your document into Blackboard for grading. Please contact your instructor with any questions regarding this assignment.